Today, let's discuss cooking odors issues in multifamily buildings. Cooking odors can be a common issue in high-rise buildings due to the close proximity of units and the potential for odors to spread through shared air ducts and ventilation systems. Additionally, the lack of proper ventilation in some units can also contribute to the buildup of cooking odors. There are several ways to address cooking odor issues in high-rise buildings. 1. Installing eFlow constant airflow regulator, also known as CAR, can help to reduce the spread of cooking odors by maintaining a consistent airflow throughout the building and removing odors and contaminants from the air. eFlow CAR works by controlling the airflow to each unit and ensuring that the airflow is consistent throughout the building. This can be achieved by adjusting the airflow to individual units based on their occupancy, usage, and ventilation needs. 2. Educating residents on proper cooking practices, such as using exhaust fans and keeping cooking areas clean and well ventilated. 3. Regularly cleaning and maintaining the HVAC system, which can help to remove accumulated cooking odors and prevent the spread of odors throughout the building. 4. Installing proper ventilation system in individual units. This can help to remove cooking odors and pollutants from the air before they have a chance to spread throughout the building. 5. Implementing a policy that prohibits strong cooking odors, such as frying or smoking. It's important to have clear communication with the residents. It's important to note that addressing cooking odor issues in high-rise multifamily buildings requires a multifaceted approach, which includes the installation of eFlow constant airflow regulator, proper ventilation and maintenance of the HVAC system, as well as educating residents on proper cooking practices and using exhaust fans. Please visit eFlowUSA.net for more information about eFlow constant airflow regulator device.